Okay, Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s, Jordan 1s. You guys know how I feel about Jordan 1s. I love them. There's been so many Jordan 1 releases this year, but if we're being completely honest, I mean, there's been the New Beginnings pack. Beautiful. But besides that, I mean, I am a discerning connoisseur of Jordan 1s. I'm looking for stuff like this. I'm looking for breads. I'm looking for shadows. I'm looking for the cream of the crop. And it's not every day that we get a release like that. So when an amazing pair of Jordan 1s just up and falls in your lap, you're naturally gonna be pretty excited. This has to be one of the nicest Jordan 1s that we have got in a long time. Okay. I have not seen these yet. Obviously, these don't even come out for another week and a half. Wow. Okay, before we open these, and I'm very eager, but before we open these, I need to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, CheckCheck app. CheckCheck app. I'm sure most of you guys have heard of it already because everyone on YouTube and Instagram has been talking about it. But if you haven't already, you guys need to listen up because it is one of the coolest apps that I have on my phone and you guys should 100% download on your phone. So what CheckCheck app is it's a legit checking app. And you don't even need to sell your shoes. Lots of these legit checking services, like these large selling apps, they'll tell you if your shoes are real or not, but it involves shipping them off to them and selling the shoes. CheckCheck app tells you if your shoes are real without you having to send them anywhere, just by sending pictures in for a really low price, and they let you know in as little as 30 minutes. To get a legit check on your shoes, you need to top up your credits on CheckCheck. They work through credit balances. So you could get 3 credits for $3. You could get 10 credits for $8. Best value, you get 20 credits for $15. Which works out to basically 75 cents a piece, which is super cheap. 3 credits, so around $2.25. You can get a legit check on any pair of shoes within 30 minutes, which is insane, 30 minutes. And then for 2 credits, it takes 4 hours, which is still really good. And then for 1 credit, which is 75 cents, you can get a legit check within 12 hours. I mean, I've seen Instagram accounts that charge $10, $15, $20 for a legit check, and they take 24 hours. And CheckCheck is just coming in here, putting all of them out of business, because in 12 hours, you get a legit check for 75 cents. And on top of that, CheckCheck is giving me a code, Tom Stefanik, that if you guys use, you get 1 free legit check, no money, no credits necessary, completely free. We're also doing a huge giveaway with CheckCheck on my Instagram at Tom Stefanik, as well as on YouTube right here, 2 separate giveaways, where if you guys follow all the instructions in the description, you can win either this pair of Jordan 1s or literally any pair of Jordan 1s you want, valued up to $1,000. You get to pick any pair you want. Now at the end of the video, we're going to be legit checking this pair of sneakers just to make sure that they're real. I mean, I bought them on GOAT, so I feel pretty confident, but you never know. So we're gonna be using the CheckCheck app at the end of the video to make sure that these are real. So we all know what these are already because, I mean, they're in the thumbnail, they're in the title. These come out October 31st for $170. The Jordan 1 Dark Mochas. I don't drink coffee, I don't know what color mocha's supposed to be. All I know is that people are hyping these up because they look exactly like the Travis Scotts. I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready. These things are gonna be so... Are they nice? Are they nice? Wow. This is such a nice pair of shoes. Oh my... I could throw them on right now. These things are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. This, without a doubt, this is the second best shoe that has released this year. And I'm very biased. I love Jordan 1s, and I know many people are going to have different opinions, but I'm putting the New Beginnings Jordan 1 as the best shoe to release this year, and then these are right behind it. These are going to be really reminiscent if you've ever owned any of the suede pack of the yellow ochre or the red ones or the navy ones, or I think there's even an olive pair. Did I say that? Is there 4 of them? Yeah, there's 4 of them. This is going to be very similar. I mean, the leather feels almost identical, and then the suede or the nubuck on the back is almost the exact same material. It is nice. It is so fine and soft. Like, you just want to touch it and rub it and feel it as I know that's so strange, but that's what I want to do when I'm holding this shoe. I love how they didn't go for just a pure white. It's a little bit, I don't even want to say cream, but maybe it's like eggshell white or paper white, but it's not that stark in your face factory brand new white. Like, this looks like it has character. It looks aged. It looks like you could wear it with a really nice outfit and go to an art gallery or go to a wine tasting event. I mean, this is not an in your face flashy sneaker. This is just such a great shoe, especially for fall, releasing at the end of October, moving into winter. This is a shoe you're going to be able to rock all year, especially if you suede protect the back here. Absolutely amazing. Me personally, when I'm looking for, why do I always drop shoes? Are we good? We're good? We're good. When I'm buying a Jordan 1, I'm looking for something that I can wear every day. I'm looking for something that's versatile. I'm looking for something that is neutral but still stands out a little bit. And I think this completely fits. You could wear these with cargo pants, you could wear these with jeans, blue jeans, black jeans, you could wear these with olive pants, like literally anything you want to do, you can make these work. And it's such a neutral color that you're not going to need to worry too much about matching whatever hoodie or jacket or t-shirt you're wearing with them. But at the same time, just the classic color blocking of the Jordan 1 makes these stand out. I mean, you're not gonna miss these. You're gonna see that black and white toe box and this swoosh and the wings on the heel, and you're gonna be like, wow, this is a nice pair of shoes. The craziest thing about these is the resale prices right now. I mean, these don't even come out for another 9 or 10 days, and they're only reselling, hold up, I just want to triple confirm this. You could get a pair for $450 right now, which is nuts, absolutely insane. Guys, if you're trying to invest in a pair of sneakers to make some money on, buy this pair of shoes. Or if you just want to wear these, buy them right as soon as they release, because the prices are gonna go, it makes no sense that this shoe is $450. Look at some other Jordan 1s that are reselling for $800. Ask yourself, are these nicer than those? The answer is definitely yes. This shoe is going to skyrocket in price over the next year, I guarantee you. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Everyone is saying it. The only reason these are popular is because they look like the Travis Scott Jordan 1s and everyone's a hype beast. You know what, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. And you should work on your diction, because it sounds like you have a speech impediment. Maybe people do just like them because it's the Travis Scott Jordan 1 minus the black and the weird swoosh, but let's be honest, this brown is the exact same color. These are extremely reminiscent of the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I still think this would be an amazing shoe and a really popular shoe whether or not the Travis Scott 1s existed. I mean, I don't own the Travis Scott 1s. I honestly don't really have a huge need to buy them. They're all suede, which means they're not gonna age as well as something like this with leather on the toe box, and they're just too expensive. That's not something I really want in my collection, and hype aside, looking at both of them, I just think this is a way better shoe. It's the classic Jordan 1. It has the classic Chicago color blocking. Honestly, this is literally just a black toe Jordan 1, except it's brown on the back instead of red. I much prefer this to something like a Travis Scott 1. Even if the Travis Scotts have so much hype right now, even if that bleeds off onto this shoe, I still think this would be a popular shoe, and we all know all Jordan 1s are gonna sell it regardless. But if we're being honest, I don't think the Travis Scott is affecting the resale price of this shoe that much. Okay, so you guys are probably asking how much I paid for these. I got them off GOAT for around 580 Canadian, like 2.5 weeks ago. And I don't know where they shipped from, but usually I get charged some amount of duties from GOAT. I was expecting $150, $180. Absolutely no duty charges on these. So I got these for an amazing price, and I'm super happy to have these in my collection. We'll be putting these in a mystery box for November, but I'm also going to be keeping a pair to be wearing because this is one of my favorite shoes. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below, are you planning on picking these up? If you are, make sure to get them on release day, or if you can't, just fork out the resale money within a week of them coming out, because the prices are only going to go up on these. With that being said, I'm gonna throw these on feet for you guys, show you what they look like, and then we're gonna go back to the office and legit check these with the Check app. Absolutely amazing pair of shoes. Like, how nice do they look on feet? Imagine these with a pair of black jeans as well. Sick pair of shoes. And I guarantee you these things are gonna be going for $1,000 plus within the next 18 months, which means that a lot of people are gonna be trying to fake these. So we're gonna legit check these on the Check app right now. So you're gonna go on the Check app and you're going to hit new check. And then you select brand. We're doing a pair of Jordan 1s, so Air Jordan, and then you can literally do any Jordan model. So Jordan 1, we can skip the example photos, and it's gonna ask you to put 7 different photos, the appearance, inside label, back of insole, all of that stuff. So we're gonna shoot those, add them to this, and then all we need to do is wait 30 minutes for the legit check. Wow, okay, I kid you not. They don't know who I am. This is just a regular account. This was not expedited. They legit checked my pair of shoes in 6 minutes. I paid for the half an hour version, 6 minutes. So obviously these were a pass. It tells you that they're legit. It gives you all the necessary information that you need. As you can see on the screen right here, it says they're real, and it took them 6 minutes to legit check them for $3. Now, if you want to wait a little bit longer, you could get it for even cheaper, but I did the 3 credits for $3, and they legit checked them in 6 minutes. So Check app, thank you so much for sponsoring the video, and thank you for legit checking my sneakers. If you guys want to download Check, there's a link down in the description. Use code TomStefaniak to get a free legit check, and follow me on Instagram at TomStefaniak to get a free pair of either these or any Jordan 1s you want, valued up to $1,000 straight from Check. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Let me know what you think of the MOCHAs down in the comments. I love these and cannot wait to wear them. Until next time, peace.